and the recording is live. Awesome. So we're doing JavaScript, which is the most challenging section of this boot camp. I can safely say level 3, 4, and 5 are the most challenging. After that, everything that you will be using is JavaScript. Everything that you'll be doing from React, Node, APIs, what, everything will be JavaScript. So this is the most important and somewhat most difficult section. So I understand if you guys are facing challenges. So I just wanted to start by saying that, um, okay, I will just open up the floor. We had a call. I think we've been having a lot of calls with some of you guys when you guys were stuck, and also some messaging. Apparently, Tebo and Loris's DMs are flooded these days, which is great. So we love to see that. So yeah, what's up? I'll start with Miniman because Miniman is looking very sharp and is looking very attentive. So what's up? Just share with everyone how JavaScript has been treating you and what any tips or any suggestions to help the others in their journey.
First of all, it's quite tricky. It's quite tricky. But what's helping me the most is basically just watching the videos over and over again until you understand what you're doing. Because most of the times you might think you're on the right track and then you just missed like a small, maybe a syntax error or something, and then you just panic. So you have to always go through your code.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Cool stuff. Great stuff, Mini. Yeah. So, guys, don't worry about syntax errors. You can Google them. It's fine. If you face them, it doesn't mean you're a bad programmer. It means that you. It's like someone who's trying to write English and they make a spelling mistake, right? It doesn't mean you're bad at English. It doesn't mean you don't understand English. So don't try to memorize syntax. Syntax is just it's something that you can Google any day, anytime. So just get the concepts, rewatch the videos if you need to, and easy peasy. And also, sometimes you might not understand all the concepts, and that's pretty much fine. Like for myself, there are still some concepts that if I try to wrap my hand around it, like, I don't understand what this means. But it doesn't mean you can't build stuff because you're not going to know everything. So, yeah. Let's go, Theodora. Theodora, what's up? What's up? What's happening? What challenges are you facing? What are suggestions that you can give to the rest of the group?
Well, so far so good with JavaScript. I think that's actually maybe because Sach actually walked me through before I could start with my project. So I haven't encountered any challenges thus far. I'm coming good. I'm not complaining. So shout out to Sach.
Shout out to Saj, indeed. Shout out to the community. Shout out to everyone helping everyone. Even though there's the leaderboard and we trying to make it competitive, and also the leaderboard is gonna be open to more people now. So you're gonna say maybe the top 5 get rewards instead of just the top one because we want to include more people. But helping each other, guys, that's remarkably good. Thank you so much for that, Saj. Yeah. Next up, we have Tafadzwa Chijarira, Mr. Nested Loops.
Hi, everyone. Okay, so far, yeah, I'm stuck on loops. Yeah, those things are giving me a hard time. Conditional statements. I'm having a battle, but yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Really am. I'm not gonna give up.
Yeah. All right. Well said. Yeah. I like I was saying to you earlier today when I was learning, though they used to give me nightmares. I used to be like, what? Right? I couldn't get my head around it, and that was in Python, which is supposed to be the easiest programming language ever. But they still gave me challenges. But just like with everything, read more, watch more resources online, use ChatGPT, use Leo, use all the resources that you can get. Try to dumb it down. There's also this. I'll share a resource with you guys, a JavaScript PDF, a textbook that can also help you explain these concepts. So I'll share that resource just now with you guys as well. But
Okay,
yeah,
and that'll be most appreciated. I think I need to talk to Theodore as well. She says she's gliding, so yeah, I need
right.
to know her tricks.
I think she just left just now. But yeah, so it's also good when someone's saying they're not having issues to just ask them and they can help you. So yeah, let's keep up that community aspect very strong. Okay, Mr. John Andre,
Hi, Larat, how are you doing? How's everyone?
good, good,
I'm glad, I'm
good,
glad.
good.
Um, Everything's going good so far. Sarge just let me know if she disconnected it. It's her Wi-Fi restarting because of the load shedding and so on. If you're looking for her. Also, I have a suggestion I would like to make. This because you're saying you have overload for Tibor and Loris with the DMs. Uh, I don't know if you've seen it before, but you get an automated chat that you can add onto a website where you can ask your question directly, and it will be directed to whichever person is available first. So you don't have to wait too long for someone, and that person can chat to you directly onto that once he or she is online. So that way you can assign more than one person actually to a help desk to answer questions because I do get people also asking me some questions sometimes. I don't always know the answers, but I try and help. And then in the community, but it could be communal as well. If you've got a senior on there as well as juniors, just to help each other out, and you can see what that person asks. So then
Mm,
that question could also help you. Oh, okay, so that is the problem, and this is how you solve it. So it's basically like a small chat room. That's just a suggestion, which I think will help us guys a lot.
okay, interesting that you mentioned that. We used to have a forum on the app, right, where when someone would post their question and everyone can go on there and comment and try to help, and then that question will always be there, as opposed to the activity feed where maybe you might post something today and then after 2 days with so many exciting announcements and news and all these things going on, then you lose it. So, Loris, would you believe that the forum was actually useful?
right? Because I remember we removed it and we are saying no one's gonna use this, and then we just
Yeah.
removed it. So I mean, it's something we can definitely bring back.
Yeah, look, I think if you bring something like that back, I understand maybe it can take a lot of the website. It uses too much space or whatsoever. But maybe we can make it as a separate app or something to link it to a different page for the traffic, not to be so much on there onto the platform. If you understand what I mean. But I think it's an excellent. It's really something that we could look into. And I would like to see that for other students also, because I've seen it on other platforms where I've done some resource work, and I've seen it works because you can always go back and see, well, at that question this guy had, just like it. Yeah, I can get an answer. I'm struggling. Here's something to explain it to me. Then you use your resource, which makes Mousesoft a greater company because the resource is available directly from Mousesoft and not from somewhere else.
Hmm. Got it. Got
That's
it.
improvement. Yes.
Yeah. 100%. 100%. Yes, Loris.
And I think just in addition to what Jean Andre is saying, we can also add a resources section on that little forum thing. So we'll have one big thread with just resources, because I see that nowadays people are sending different resources that they're finding online that they're finding helpful. So we can just double that and make that the resources section as well. Just make it a pinned chat. So yeah, that's something that can be done, John Andre, and it doesn't take that much space to bring that back. So that's no problem.
All right, Mr. Loris. So since you're saying it doesn't take that much space, I guess you will build the feature then.
Yes,
So
sure.
I'll just let you do
Thank you.
it. Okay. All right. Cool. Or maybe John Andre, since you suggested it, then you can build it, or you can work with Loris. You're gonna be shocked at how quick it can be. So yeah. Also, which reminds me, we also wanna show you guys some other insider uh, tips and tricks later down the line. So I won't share them now, but we'll show them later down the line how you can build stuff much faster and much easier. So yeah, let's go, Mr. Tanyani. Congratulations on the improvement. You've been doing extremely well. I'm very happy, very happy. Well done. Let's see how have you been finding things lately with your projects?
Um, eish, uh, I think I don't know how to put it, but I think I'm getting there. No one, no one should, no one should come to me for help because I still have a lot. I still have a lot to cover.
That's so
I
funny.
won't
You're
I won't
finished.
have
You're
time.
finished.
I won't have
Got
time
you.
to help you. Yeah.
Got it. No problem. It's good. It's good that you're honest and you're also funny. So it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, keep it up. Keep it up. You can definitely see that the improvement is there. The work is there. The projects are being done. Also, you've been doing pretty well because I don't know or I don't know to Tebo and Loris, but you don't ask that much questions, or is it just not to me?
No, I don't.
Perfect. Great. That's a
Women-
great trait. It's a great trait. If you can see yourself solving these challenges without asking anyone, that is a brilliant trait. That is that is what separates the beginners from intermediate, at least. Just cracking down and solving things on your own. That's a great skill that I encourage everyone to also, work on as well. Yes, Loris.
And then just to add to what you said, what is dangerous though is you having a problem and you not asking. So we're not shunning the people who do ask questions. We still want you guys to ask questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to make that very clear for you guys.
Yeah, no, of course. I mean, that's the whole point of the community, the bootcamp. But also, I just want to share those that build stuff and churn out these square roots, these calculators without asking a mentor or anything. That's something to be proud of, guys. Because you're there. You're there. You guys are there. So yeah. All right. Um, Kenneth. Kenneth, are you there? Can you hear me?
He is there, but he sent a message because it seems he's saying his internet is bad.
Oh yeah. Hello everyone. I am doing well. I'm enjoying JavaScript. I'm finally getting the hang of it. Challenges aren't that much. Just been struggling to change from var to let because I was so used to var. I'm adapting well. My internet sucks. Got it. Got it. Yeah, please don't use var. Please don't even just don't. Just use let. Even if Leo tells you to use var, choose let. Actually, we must train Leo to not use a bar so that it's easier. But yeah, all right, all good, all good. Saj, yes, Saj, how have you been finding things? How's everything going? Any tips for your fellow learners?
It's JavaScript is very tricky. It's tough, but it's very interesting to learn. And well, on my end, all I can say is like, if you don't understand something, then just like YouTube and put it in ChatGPT, get explanations. If you need further explanations, then come to you guys. And I think that's the only way to learn is if we have the foundation strong and you understand the concept, and then it makes it much. I won't say easier. JavaScript is not easy, but better. It makes it better.
All right.
So I'm so sorry if you guys heard my dogs barking.
Okay, all good, all good. Yeah, what Saj said, what Saj said. Resources are there, internet is there, ChatGPT is there, the Microsoft team is also there. Guys, you cannot fail. You really cannot fail. You just cannot fail. Maybe things might take longer, right? Maybe things might take longer, but you will not fail. I almost fell out of my chair. Yeah, that was a bit, yeah. So yeah, who else do we have? Mr. Gobbs, Mr. Gobbs, Mr. Gobbs. How are you finding things?
Hello, how are you? Can you
Good,
hear
good,
me?
good. Okay,
Yeah,
we can
I,
hear
no,
you.
no, the reception is bad. It's raining cats and dogs here in Pretoria. But then, anyway, some aspects are really challenging, but I'm trying my best. What can I do? Am I audible? Can you hear me?
We can hear you. Mr. Larith is
Oh,
good.
yeah, like I say, I'm trying where I can. Some parts are easier, some parts are a bit challenging, but I'm trying to ask for help wherever I can, and also trying to use some resources to help my cause. So not too bad so far, but a bit challenging.
Okay. You're on mute, Mr. Larith.
Yeah, like I was saying, got it, got it. It is challenging. I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit challenging, but this is the hardest part. Level 3, 4, and 5, guys. Once you crack those, you are pretty much set. Not just on React, what we're gonna teach you. You can also learn Angular after that, or you can learn Vue after that, and it's gonna be easy for you to transition to other programming languages as well. So this is the only suffering that you need. Then from now, it's all knowledge transfer to other things, basically using this foundation. So yeah, all right, all good. Um, Tebo, I actually completely forgot that you were on the call.
It's okay. Hi everyone. For me, in terms of JavaScript, I'll say it is challenging, guys. I won't lie and say it's not, but I really am enjoying functions, loops, and control structures was also something new for me, but I would say that it was okay. It was okay. And then currently talking to my partner Bradley, and we're trying to work on a pay project at the same time so that I don't hold him back. But yeah, so far so good.
All right, all right, all good, all good. So I want to share something with you guys. Um, what does Loris say in the chat? Loris, you can read out your chat, please.
Okay, no problem. So I hear people are complaining a lot, right? So I asked Leo to give us some motivation. And Leo says JavaScript can be a complex language to learn, but don't let that discourage you. With the right resources and practice, you'll be able to master it in no time. Remember that programming is all about problem solving and the satisfaction that comes from overcoming a difficult challenge. So every new concept or skill you learn in JavaScript will help you become a better developer and open up new opportunities for you in the future. So keep that in mind, guys. Just keep that in mind.
Got it. Thank you, Loris. Thank you for that motivation. So I just wanted to share something quickly with you guys. So I'm gonna share a link with you, right? It's a secret link, but not really a secret because it's there. So I don't know if you guys know Intellect, but Intellect is the largest software development company in South Africa. Right? They've got 1,000 engineers, and they're always hiring. They're always hiring, and we wanted to invite them to come and speak at the event, but they couldn't make it basically. And then what they did is that they put all their interview questions online for free, right? So what I want you guys to do is to go onto this link, check out graduate software engineer or just software engineer interviews, and just filter the questions and see how much JavaScript you actually need. So you'll see things like, let me just do a quick screen share. All right, so something like this, Nov 2022. Whenever you see something that says software engineer at Intellect, it means junior. It means someone who has 0 to 2 years experience. So this is the kind of stuff that they ask you, like interview questions. Given a sentence, reverse the sentence, right? We did this. You guys did a reverse the string challenge. This is one of the interview questions. Or given a class that implements an interface, what suggestions for improvement can you make? This is level 5. You'll get to do object oriented programming and get to understand this stuff. And then given two string variables and an integer, swap the two variables of the string around without introducing any other variables. These are the interview questions that they ask. And what they do is, firstly, they'll call you. You'll just get a call. They just want to hear you being enthusiastic, right? Just want to hear you being excited, you sounding motivated, like I'm gonna kill it. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it. I'm so excited for this. We'll train you everything that you need. Then after that, it will be the technical interview. But they start with a 2 hour interview. Firstly, they just ask you things like how do you solve problems or how do you work in a team and stuff like that. Then the last hour is the technical interview, and you do a live coding of these challenges. And I didn't sign in, so I don't like Glassdoor. Um, okay, so yeah, after that it'll be these technical questions that they'll ask you to code online, and then some of them it'll just be asking you questions like what is hoisting in JavaScript, what is scoping in JavaScript. This is all there in level 5 of this course. So I want you guys to really be friends with this section, because if you can pass the intellect interview, you can pass any interview. If intellect accepts you, you are a great engineer. And any company that does not take you, even though you know all these questions to the intellect interview, then they are the ones that are making a loss. So just play around with this. Don't tell anyone I told you this secret. But yeah, just wanted to help you guys out. Some of you guys are already on the job search, which is good. I suggest when you finish this JS, maybe wait until level 5 at least, when you have a solid understanding of ES6 and ES7 in JavaScript, then start applying. Even if you feel like you're not yet ready, just start applying. So yeah, that's just a quick nugget of the week that I wanted to share with you guys. And then whilst you're on that, I also wanted to just share this with you quickly. We posted this in the on the activity feed. So tomorrow we are hosting a webinar. Not tomorrow, Thursday. Thursday morning, we're hosting a webinar to show you how to land $100,000 per year software developer job in the United States with no experience. It can be done. It has been done before. Most of these devs that you see sitting here in South Africa, they are working for American companies. They're all working for American companies or British companies or Dutch companies. So we're going to show you how to access that job market. We're going to show you how to stand out. This is just a bonus webinar for you guys so that you can also start applying if you're ready to start applying for a junior dev role. Yeah, so just register if you're keen. We'll also share the recording if you can't make it, as always, and then we can see who's gonna get hired in the US. Because remember, Melsoft is registered in the US. We're working on forming some partnerships in the US so that you guys can work there and earn dollars, then spend rand. Isn't that the dream?
That's the dream.
Yeah. So that's pretty much all that I have for today. Anyone with any question, any suggestion, any addition, any subtraction, or any coding challenge that they need help with? All right, sounds good. So then I'll just let Tebo to give the final words and dismiss the meeting.
All right. Thank you guys for coming. Firstly, I'd like to say, guys, well done on making it this far and just keeping on. Let's not give up. Let's keep pushing. We're here for each other. We're a community. The nice thing about being in a boot camp is you have people around you to help you. So take that and use it to your advantage. That's all I'm going to say. And all the best.
Awesome. Mr. Gobbs, I see you've got your hand raised.
Yeah, so I just wanted some clarity. When is the timeline regarding the JavaScript? When do you expect us to complete? Just to be exact.
First, did you share the deadline? I think we shared it.
Maybe I'm a bit confused. I didn't get it. Maybe I just wanted an official word from you.
Oh, okay. All right. Yes, Loris.
Okay, so Mr. Kokolang, you were supposed to start your capstone on the 22nd. So that's next week, Monday. That's when you're supposed to start your capstone. And then we'll give you a week to do it until the Friday, the 26th. And then the following week, so the next week on like 29, 30, that's when you present your capstone. So those are the deadlines we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Understood, man.
Yeah.
So guys, you must pay me a t-shirt for the I'm asking, man.
We'll send one. Don't worry. Definitely.
All right.
Definitely.
Okay.
Mini, your reaction there. Do you need us to remove a few days? You know, let's make it tighter. Should we make it tighter?
No. I like that.
Okay. All right. All good. Yes, Theodora.
Okay, so the deadline is. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So when we're done with with our project, we can just relax, or there's going to be something we're going to be doing meanwhile.
We're sure it's going to be a few days. Sorry?
I'm not sure if that makes sense.
No, you make sense. We'll give you guys a few days to just prepare your presentations, but then once you're done with your capstone, we're going to open the next level for you. So if you're done with the next capstone, the next level does get open for you.
Yeah, but I guess we can also, because it's gonna be on a Friday.
I mean,
Maybe you
yeah,
can just rest
good
and sleep
rest for a couple of days.
Saturday. Maybe it's a
Maybe.
maybe. Yes, John Andre.
Okay, guys, just the last question I would like to ask. This program, what is the time duration for this whole program, this whole course? Is it 6 months?
Yep, 100%, 100%.
Okay.
So
Do you
you,
think we're going to finish in 6 months' time?
yeah, you're gonna see that after JavaScript, once you do React and Node, the majority of the stuff is something that you can do like in a week or 2 weeks, because it's you're just building on top. Basically, things are gonna move much faster at the end. So this is the key area. This is it, guys. This is the boot camp, JavaScript.
Okay. Okay, no, excellent. I was just a bit concerned, seeing how the time gets moved on, for certain projects, how we finish up and then we wait, and then we finish up and we wait. I understand
Yeah,
everybody's working, and all that, which is good. I would also like to work. I don't want to have a problem to work and do this only at night. But yeah, like I said, I was concerned, are we going to finish in 6 months' time if I see the pace that we are moving at? But it's good then. If you say once we finish with JavaScript, we'll master this, then it's excellent. Then I'm happy. I'm excited. Thanks, guys.
not a problem. Yeah, defos definitely. It's gonna be much faster after this, and also because we are moving in cohorts, we don't want a case where one person is like on level 9 and then the others are still on level 4. So what we would recommend is if you are done with a certain concept, take on additional work, take on additional projects, work for free. It's good to work for free when you're still learning right now. Just work on something and keep on working on your skills, and not sit and say I'm waiting for the course material to open. Because yeah, you just have to keep on going, keep pushing, basically. All right, Mr. Cobbs.
No, one last question. I wanted to inquire, the internship part of the program, is it gonna be remote or be based on a physical so that we can plan things if maybe we get to that stage?
It's gonna be remote. It's gonna be remote, but it's if you are in Joburg and Cape Town, you are at an advantage of, because some companies will want you to come to the campus or to the on-site, but majority will be remote.
Okay, no problem because I'm in Pretoria. Maybe sometimes I will manage. From Pretoria is not far off from Joburg, you see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
All right, cool. Cool. Hey guys, internships so easy to. I mean, if you guys complete this, we have some students that are undergoing interviews at other companies. So I'm just not gonna mention names until it's like done. So if I come into your inbox and ask for your CV, it's because someone is watching you, someone is interested. So always keep your CVs ready, keep them fresh. So yeah. Sometimes you don't even need to finish to get an internship. All right. All right, then. That looks like that's everything. Loris, you can do the honors.
All right. Thank you so much. And thank you to everyone for the levels of engagement that were here. What I ought to do now is just stop the recording and end the meeting. So thank you so much for coming once again. We'll see you guys next week. And yeah, keep on pushing, guys. You're doing well. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.